Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In video you can see how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos in PC. So let's begin. First of all, you go to your channel and simply click your channel and manage videos. And simply click create and upload videos. Drag and drop video file to upload. Your video will be private until you publish them. Select files, click so go to your files, simply select your video, this video, my video. You can select your video and simply click open. There is interface details, so scroll down and upload thumbnail, click. So you can add your thumbnail. I am select my thumbnail. My thumbnail. Click open. So the thumbnail is open. So I hope you are enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please wait for next video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.